from the were waiting to get freedom and life from the British rule.
देख के पढ़ो, देख के पढ़ो, देख के पढ़ो।
Now the independence of India has been largest democratic country in the world. Because of the hard struggles of our forefathers, we are now able to enjoy the freedom. We are now able to enjoy the freedom. We are now able to enjoy the freedom and breathe fresh air according to our wish. Getting freedom from the British was really an impossible task for our forefathers. With their continuous efforts, we can never forget their work and always remember them. We cannot remember all the deeds of all the freedom fighters. We cannot remember all the deeds of our freedom fighters. We cannot remember all the freedom fighters in a day only. However, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी हो गई चिरागों में जलाए रखना, लहू दे के जिसकी हिफाजत की हमने, ऐसी तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना। थैंक यू। जय हिंद।